Havingani Public Speaking 1101 How to Make Cake Pop, April 24th, 2016. Baking cake pop is a fun and simple baking activity that includes using simple, basic ingredients, supplies, and techniques. Everyone has a hobby. Trying new crafts and baking cute, simple treats is mine. I've always enjoyed hands-on activities. Now I partake in them for relieving stress. This is something fun, cute, and simple that can be enjoyed by many. Today I will share with you in 3 steps how to bake cake pop. In this first step, we will gather all of our ingredients and supplies. We will need box cake of your choice, 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, a mixing bowl, icing of your choice, pan to make the cake in, cooling rack, lollipop sticks, 30 count, melting chocolate pieces, glass bowl, a mixing spoon, and some clean hands. In this second step, we will first preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we can place the box cake mix in a mixing bowl along with the cup of water, 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and mix it together until all of the lumps are worked out. After mixing, we will pour it into the baking pan and set the timer to 25 minutes and allow it to bake. In the third step, when the cake is done baking, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool on a cooling rack for about 10 minutes. When the cake has finished cooling, place it back in the pan. The next part of this step, we will need freshly cleaned, washed hands. Now that our hands are clean, we will use them to break the cake up into fine crumbles. We can now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of icing and continue to use our hands to mix it in with the cake crumbles. We should now have a mushy texture. With this mushy texture, we pinch off small amounts and roll them into ball sizes, the size of a ping pong ball. Let them sit in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. We now will pull out the glass bowl to melt the chocolate pieces in increments of 30 seconds in the microwave. After the chocolate pieces are melted, we can remove the cake pops from the refrigerator and begin placing the lollipop sticks in them. To do so, we will dip the tip of the lollipop stick in the melted chocolate and put them in the cake pop. Now it's time to dip the cake pop. Allow excess chocolate to drip off by holding the cake pop facing downward. When the excess chocolate drips off, you can place the cake pop on wax papers and decorate. Our cake pops are now complete. They will be left on the wax paper to dry and set. When the cake pops have set, we are done and it's time to eat.